Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can lose your forklift license on this game. So this is called the Forklift Obby, and this is my first time playing it. Oh my gosh, somebody just went off the rails. Okay. Why is it hard? Why are people... Oh, is it hard to turn? I don't get it. It doesn't seem that difficult to play. Oh my god, what is going on? I'm scared. Oh, that's why. Okay, let me... Oh, okay, never mind. I was like, this is easy. Oh, okay, what? I'm turning back. Oh my gosh. No! At this point, this is just like me playing it instead of giving you guys a tutorial. Okay, oh my gosh. I was gonna say the key is to turn here, kind of. Oh, let me just go back. Oh my gosh, this is harder than I thought. Thank God there's checkpoints, but... Okay, oh. How am I meant to do this? Okay. Just go back and forth. Okay. Okay. Yes, I did it. Okay. Please do not touch the red brakes. Okay, this one's simple enough to do. Oh, I've even unlocked the orange forklift. Okay, this is a little bit harder because I cannot touch the red brake. Oh my gosh. Okay. Easy does it. Oh my god. Yeah, but that's pretty much how you can play the game. I think it's a little bit easier if you play it like this, from this point of view. Oh my gosh, I give up. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Oh, can I I can actually raise it so it doesn't touch it. Right, that's smart. Okay. So make sure you do that if you don't want the forklift to touch the red brake. I just touched it. So yeah, that's pretty much how you can play the game. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Oh my gosh, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.